this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute spring card using the Springtime Joy stamp set. Here's the Springtime Joy stamp set in the mini catalog. It has these cute little critters here and a bunch of fun sentiments. So I'm going to show you how I put together this cute card. So I started off with a piece of basic white 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2, and then I have a piece of the Subtles Designer Series paper stack that I've cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm using the polka dot side, and I'm just going to adhere that to the card. Next, I have a piece of 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and I've used the hippo dies. I love the little label dies that are included in the hippo dies to cut out a little center piece right here that I'm going to use as my little peekaboo opening. But first, I'm going to add some grass that I cut out from the Special Days dies. So I've got these two layers of grass here. So I'm just going to add a little strip of liquid glue on my bottom piece. This is Granny Apple Green. And this is 3 3/4. Or I'm going to trim it down to 3 3/4 so that it will fit behind my piece here. And the second piece is garden green. So I want that to show. So this is 3 3/4. So I want both of those to show behind here. So I'm just going to make sure those show. And I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive over here and over here. And I'm just going to use the window to see where I'm placing this. I want to place this as high up as I can so I can see that lovely grass. I love this grass. I think it's so cute, so perfect for this card. And then I'm going to add dimensionals to the back to give this window some dimension. Put some on the grass. Before I placed it down, I should have stamped my sentiment. Luckily, there's no dimensionals behind there, so I think I should be okay. But I'm going to stamp that sentiment down here. And it's crooked, so I'll have to deal with that, but oh well. I have already stamped and cut out and colored my cute little bunny and my little flowers here. And I have used Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Balmy Blue, and Flirty Flamingo, and Smoky Slate to do the outline of the bunny. So I'm going to put these all on dimensionals. We'll do dimensional on the bottom of the bunny, and then we need to do mini dimensionals on the bottom of the flowers. So So we'll do the bunny in the middle first. So right in the middle here. And then we'll do the flowers on either side, just a little bit above, because I want to see the grass. There we go. And there's our cute little spring bunny card. And you can do this with all different color backgrounds from the designer series paper. There's my hair. My hair gets everywhere. You could do pink, and you could do a nice cute purple background. Would be really, really cute. I'm offering a spring card class using the Springtime Joy and Oval Occasions bundle. The Oval Occasions bundle includes this punch right here. And I did this pop and flip card with the Oval Occasions bundle. And I've also done this fun scene card inside the card right here. So when you purchase the Oval Occasions bundle, you'll receive this Easter spring card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit. You can also place a $30 order using my March Hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like this kit as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other spring and Easter videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.